In order to establish the intrinsic qualities of the Trihal transformer, France Transfo does not hesitate to subject it to the most constraining test by independent laboratories of international renown. To comply with the international IEC 6007611 standard, the minimum requirement is C1, E1, F0, while Trihal goes still further with C2, E2, F1. Fire resistance testing is carried out at the National Centre of Prevention and Protection. A complete column is taken from a Trihal which has already been submitted to the C2 and E2 tests. This is done in a tank containing enough alcohol to sustain a fire for at least 15 minutes, facing a 24 kilowatt radiant panel operating for 40 minutes. Installation takes place in full compliance with standards. The operator starts the fire while an assistant looks after the timing. Sensors constantly monitor the heating of the high temperature winding. Thanks to the trihydrated alumina, the winding self-extinguishes as soon as the flames in the tank of alcohol cease, regardless of the radiation from the panel. The combination of 3 anti-fire effects enables the coil to remain virtually intact. A first anti-fire effect is created and a refractory shield of alumina appears on the surface of the coil. The second anti-fire effect results from the formation of a barrier of water vapour emanating from the body of the resin. The third and final anti-fire effect comes from the absorption of energy by the mass of the casting, which keeps the coil beneath its inflammation threshold. The combination of these 3 anti-fire effects gives Trihal its exceptional fire resistance properties. The standard anti-fire test confirms the remarkable performance of the Trihal product and validates its F1 certification. Climatic test consists of submitting the Trihal to thermal shock at -25 degrees Celsius, followed by dielectric testing. This test, carried out at Chemo Laboratory, confirms the excellent behaviour of Trihal when exposed to climatic constraints and validates its C2 certification. Environmental testing includes a condensation test followed by a moisture penetration test, reflecting the severe conditions which Trihal may encounter in its environment. This testing, carried out at Chemo Laboratory, validates the excellent performance of Trihal and confirms its E2 certification. Trihal is therefore classified C2, E2 and F1, a winning combination for lasting safety. Another ordeal inflicted on Trihal is the validation of its seismic performance by a test carried out at the Sopimia laboratory. The equipment is placed on a vibrating table to reproduce the stresses produced by Richter 4.7 seismic activity for 4 by 20 seconds. The performance of the Trihal is then checked by a visual inspection and dielectric tests. Trihal thus obtains its Sopimia mechanical performance certificate. Respect for the environment, a major consideration in modern society, has long been a priority for France Transfo. Recognised as an environmentally responsible company, France Transfo has over many years developed an environmental management policy inspired by the international ISO 14001 international standard. Trihal plays a full part in this for any environmentally aware user by being totally recyclable without causing pollution. Trihal is a widely appreciated top-quality industrial product that can be adjusted to meet all our customers' requirements. Our modern, constantly enhanced manufacturing facility turns out almost 30 Trihals every day.